Okay, so you glance at any fashion magazine or social media thread and you will see a multitude of the hottest trends in the beauty industry right now. Well, thankfully, our resident beauty expert, Michelle Phillips, joins us today to share a few of those top trends, at least ones that are Michelle approved.
That's right.
It can get very overwhelming.
Yeah, and for everyday women.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I look at these social media feeds and I think, really? Not so much, unless you're like 17. So
Yes.
I'm going to share some trends that are great for every lady.
Okay, sounds good. And some of them we may have heard of before.
Yes.
So they're coming back.
Actually, the first one I'm going to talk about is something I talk about, it feels like almost every week while I hear, and it's retinol. And retinol, I'm so excited that everybody is getting how important this ingredient is to anti-aging.
Okay.
Because for years, I've been told by dermatologists that it is the #1 anti-aging ingredient that you can use to actually help reverse, you know, the fine lines and wrinkles, thicken skin, produce collagen. I mean, it's a really good ingredient. And right now, the trend is that you are going to be seeing it not only in just retinol type creams.
Well, that's what I was going to ask. Where is it in? Is it in actual other beauty products?
Yeah, they're starting to incorporate them in beauty oils. They're starting to incorporate them into body products. They're starting to incorporate retinol into face masks. So you will see this more and more, so get educated about it, because
what age is best for it?
Well, you can start in your 20s because it also helps with acne. It helps get rid of acne. The only thing you want to be careful with retinols is the level of which they have in the ingredients, because the higher the percentage rate, the more irritating it can be to the skin. So if you've never used it before, start out mild. And
what's mild? Can you give us like a number?
Like a 0.25% or 0.5%, and only use it maybe a couple times a week just to
see how you do.
Because you can get a little dry and itchy, which is why I like that they're incorporating it with oils and moisturizers, so then you don't feel those itchy, peely, you know, results. Okay.
Glowing skin.
Glowing skin. I mean, you see all over social media and the magazines, they've got this glow and you know, the highlighters and such. And so there are so many beautiful highlighters out there. There are different types. One, you can use like a primer that has a really nice glow to it to use underneath of your foundation. There's also powders that are shimmery. There's also like satin mist, where you can just mist your face and it gives you a little bit of glow. And then there's the cream. What I always share with women is just go a little at the beginning with the highlighters, just a little bit maybe on your cheeks, you know, if you want above your brow line. But here's the thing, as we get older, the more we highlight with some of these shimmery products,
highlight some of those flaws,
you're gonna bring out the lines and wrinkles. So you just want to play with it gradually. Don't go crazy with the shimmers.
And summer's probably a good time to do it.
Yes, but the best way to have that gorgeous highlight look is glowing skin. Okay. So glowing skin is huge right now. Not that matted down look, that healthy, beautiful,
you hear this word dewy.
Dewy.
Which dewy to me almost sounds greasy, but you say...
It is. I mean, that's the look right now, is the dewy, which here, we on camera, we're always powdering because we don't want to look all shiny. But the best way to get dewy skin is to incorporate, again, retinols into your skincare routine, or serums that boost moisture, boost your skin's you know, hydration. And the reason I always say serums is because serums penetrate your skin a little bit better than normal moisturizers because of their molecular structure. Also, you're seeing oils that you just put on your face, and these are absorbing oils that go into your skin that don't have the silicones or all the chemicals in it. It's just a nice hydrating oil, and I love to put oils on my face at night, and it's not greasy.
All right, we only have 30 seconds left. We got a lot to get in.
So the other thing is clean beauty is in, reading labels, no more chemicals, huge trend and a good one. The last one is ingestibles. In drinking and eating supplements that are boosting collagen and helping to improve how we look from the inside out.
I'd imagine this is probably the fastest growing industry.
Huge. I mean, collagen drinks. Oh yeah. I mean, it's crazy how many things.
So be on the lookout for more of that.
Yes, but study the ingredients again. Make sure that you're getting something that's healthy for you.
All right, sounds good, Michelle. Thank you so much. We always love when you're here. And of course, where can people find out more about what you got going on?
Go to my website, michellephillips.com, and that'll connect you to me on social media too.
Okay, thanks, Michelle.
Thank you.